video is about S.S.L.C Model Question Paper 1, 2025-26, Subject Science. If you find this video informative and useful, kindly like and subscribe my channel. In this video, you'll be seeing about SI unit of potential difference. Mark the answer, volt. The second one, reciprocal of focal length, is the power of length. Power of lens. The second main, the symbol of the following, dry cell and rheostat. For these questions, I'll attach the answers, key answers with this. So just go through the question paper. Ninth and 10th question. 11th ABC. These are sums. Sorry, A and B are sums. And this is also a sum or question. State the laws of refraction of light. Mention the two difference between convex mirror and convex lens. Next is chemistry, part B. So metal for brass is copper and zinc. It's an application question. So answer for this is B option. The property of carbon responsible for giving rise to large molecules, catenation. And these are 1 mark question. And these are 2 marks question. 19, 20 and 21. This is a 3 marks question. Equation. The word equation they are given. You have to write the equation using the formulas. And this is an OR question. You have to convert into equations. This one is in 23rd is an application question. So acid, bases and salt. Explain the formation of sodium chloride molecule. Then OR question, formation of magnesium chloride, or how pure and how is pure zinc obtained from zinc oxide. Structure of N-butane and isobutane. Esterification. OR question, dot structure of nitrogen and propane. Cleansing action of soap on dirt. Part C, biology. There is 24. Identification. It is a dendrite and axon. The gap is a synapse. So here the answer is synapse transmit chemical energy generated. This is answer. D is answer. Importance of xylem in plants. Then observe the table. So the answer having the trait capital G AA, capital G GAA. How is binary fission in amoeba different from budding in hydra? Name the structure that prevents the collapsing of air passage in trachea. Then nitrogenous chemical that are separated from blood by the kidney. Or question, in which forms excess glucose is stored in plants and animals, how it is stored. Name the structure of human small intestine that absorb digested food. Question with OR question. 33rd question. 34 and 35. Ozone layer, A and B, the environment chapter. The determination of sex of male child in humans. Frequently asked question. The next question is an OR question. So here objective type. Then and there I have written the answer. So just you can go through. Heart they have asked septum and right aorta. Sorry, right arterium. Then 5 marks question. Contraception method. Then function of vas deferens and prostate gland. Menstruation cycle occur. This is also frequently asked question. Write the difference between self and cross pollination. Changes that occur in a flower after fertilization. Mention any 4 advantages of vegetative propagation. Few answers I have written in the question paper itself. I'll just give a pic of that. You can just view it. Key answers from 4th. So objective I have marked then and there. So from 4th question answers are here. 5th and 6th. 4th main. 8th A and B. Obtaining magnetic field lines around a bar magnet using a compass needle. For this answer, ninth, for the OR question, current carrying conductor when kept in a magnetic field experience a mechanical force. For this answer for 39th OR question, diagram for this question, 9th question OR question. 10th question, objects is kept beyond C, concave mirror. So regarding the image, picture for this is, the diagram for this is 11th question, 10th question. 10th question diagram. 5th main, 11th question, the sum. So it has been done here. It is, answer is given. B question is also a sum. 11th B continuation. Twelfth A question, laws of refraction of light. For this answer, the answer for this, twelfth B question, convex mirror and convex lens difference. This is chemistry part. 13, 14, 15 is a chemistry objective type question. Now from 16, 17 and 18, this is 1 mark question. 19th question is a diagrammatic question. This is a diagram for a 19th answer. Zinc granules and dilute sulfuric acid. 20th A and B answer. 21 electrolytic refining of copper, the diagram for this. 9th main, that is 22nd question, chemical equation and balancing. 22nd OR question. 23rd application question. Answers are given. Formation of NaCl. Given in an elaborated way, you can cut short and write it. You can write only these steps. The electronic configuration and this step is sufficient. Or this diagram and this explanation is sufficient. This diagram, you have to mention transfer of electron. This should be mentioned. It is important. And this explanation is enough, sufficient. 3 marks question. Next question is 25th question, structure of butane and isobutane. Next B question is alcohol, that is esterification, alcohol and carboxylic acid reaction. This is a reaction. And OR question is the structure of nitrogen, dot structure, structure of propine. Then cleansing action of soap. B question OR question. This is the action of soap. This is the answer. Next part is biology. 26, 27 and 28 is subjective type. It is marked in the question paper. And 29 answer is given 29. 30 is also given on the question paper. Just it is marked. Then 31 difference between the amoeba, binary fission and budding in hydra. This is the answer. A detailed video is also given in my channel. You can view that. 32nd question. Then OR question. 33rd question. OR question, central difference between central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. This is peripheral nervous system. 34, ozone layer is a boon. Then B, 34A and B is there. 35A, And 35b. 35b, explanation, father, mother. Even if you write this, part showing this, marks are there. So you can just attempt it. 35, or question, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio. 36, answer. 37, heart diagram. 38, 3 methods of contraception. Frequently asked question. Function of vas deferens and prostate gland. Menstruation cycle. Next question, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, cross-pollination. Changes in a flower after fertilization. The last question is advantages of vegetative propagation.